I'm drifting down the highway, cutting shadows with the lights. Whispers crawling through the dark, they already know my heights. Wind is pulling on my silhouette, dissolving me within. I hear a voice follow, you already live in sin. I'm sliding on the plate lines like the fear inside my veins. 808s beneath the chassis like a demon breaking chains. Those bells are cutting sharp like a memory in pain. I slice right through the midnight, but the night takes back its claim. Headlights paint my shadow on the asphalt, cold and flat. Every breath's a ritual, every footstep like a pact. These games are whispering secrets I was never meant to grasp. But the only path ahead is the one I can't go past. Follow me. Follow me. Night is calling me back inward to the rituals of dust. Every sound around me trembles like the